guys, welcome to my video. My name is Mitsubi Gonzaga from BPL at HA. Guys, for today's video, I will be explaining what I have understand in week 3, which is ICT software types and applications. So my understanding of ICT software and application is that software is a critical component of any computing system, enabling hardware to function and allowing users to perform various tasks. So, ang key point na to, guys, is software definition and importance. Software consists of programs and instructions that control hardware. It bridges the gap between users and hardware, making technology usable and functional. So, ang types of software, guys, now we have the system software. System software manage hardware and provides a foundation for application software. Example, operating system, Windows, utility programs, antivirus, disk cleanup, and device antivirus. So, functions, resource management, communication with hardware, and security maintenance. So, next example is next type is application software. Application software is designed for end users to perform specific tasks. Example, productivity tools, Microsoft Word, Google, web browser, and specialized software, AutoCAD, MATLAB. So, ang function is enable task-specific operation from document editing, media playback, and scientific computing. Software plays a vital role in ICT, ensuring smooth operation, improving efficiency, and enabling automation in various industries like education, business, healthcare, and entertainment. So, software is important in ICT because software is a collection of programs and instructions that enable a computer or digital device to perform tasks. It is essential in ICT because it allows hardware to function, enabling users to enter